we have some stuff. And that can only mean one thing. Yes, I have come up with another segment for my channel.
Box of Intrigue.
Okay, so some of this stuff is stuff that I have been sent to review. Some of it is stuff that I have bought or been sent by people that I've sort of been speaking to, which I will explain as I go through and open it. So let's get on with it. I understand that that you guys like watching your favourite YouTubers open their post, mail to the Americans watching. So you know, hopefully one day I'll open a gas bill or something for you all. This is something that I asked for some recommendations on Facebook for a Molly leg platform. One of the guys on there was kind enough to say that he had a couple that he was thinking about selling on, and was kind enough to sell me this one for an exceptionally reasonable price. And I'll be honest, I'm pretty impressed with it. There's some nice rubber grippies on the leg straps. A little bit surprised there's no elastic on there, but I'm sure that'll be absolutely fine, and it feels super comfortable. Really nicely padded. So yeah, I shall look forward to using that. Absolutely brilliant. Let's get rid of that. Okay, then we have an exciting looking box for which I am going to need a knife. Right, here we go. This one is really colourfully packaged up, look. Absolutely beautiful array of colours. Some of the toughest gaffer tape I think I've ever encountered in my entire life. And we'll try not to break contents whilst cutting into it. Oh yes. Okay, this is part of a mod that I'm working on at the moment for a Nitron, which I have a name in mind for this Nitron, but obviously they don't actually get names until they've been to a war. But I've been asking around and searching desperately for more Vortex mags for a little while, and fantastically one of the guys on the Facebook forums had some, so I've got a 20 there, and here, which I honestly never hoped to be able to get hold of one of these without a blaster attached to it. The 40 drum mag, which is it's had a little bit of use. You can see there it's been a little bit banged around, but that's all right, because it's only going to get more banged around when I'm using it. So that is absolutely brilliant. Watch this space. Vortex is officially back. Certainly in the US. I'm really hoping it's going to end up over here as well. And I'm going a bit old school with a Nitron mod that I've been thinking about doing for a while, and you know, hopefully I'll get that done soon. Absolutely fantastic, brilliant, absolutely love it. Okay, this next one I am pretty sure I know what this is. I had some contact with the guys at workerkit.com, and they'd sort of noticed my Instagram, and I mentioned also that I was getting this YouTube channel up together, and they very kindly offered to send me something for review. So keep your eyes peeled for the review on this one to come out. But this is one of those absolutely fantastic and beautiful adjustable worker stocks. Now, I will do a full review on this, so I'm not going to go into it in detail now. But oh, that is very nice. That is very nice. That is beautiful. I believe this is F10555, in fact, which I thought was 3D printed, but that does not look 3D printed. So, and it's actually got a proper buttonhole in there as well. That's absolutely brilliant. Really, really looking forward to having a play with that and doing a bit of a review. And this is, unless I'm very much mistaken, the tube that the stock mounts to. And in fact, a stock block for it as well. Brilliant, absolutely fantastic. I'm going to really look forward to reviewing that for you guys. It is in fact F10555, and it does look injection molded, which is a surprise because I was under the impression that all the F10555 stuff was 3D printed. But brilliant, absolutely brilliant. I cannot wait to give that a proper going over for all of you. And fantastic. I feel so lucky to have had all these things. And there's one more. There is one more, and I'm pretty sure I know what this is. So we'll move these things back. Gaffer tape is on there, by the way, just to protect everybody's privacy. Don't want to be handing out people's addresses and things. That would be naughty. Now, if this is what I think this is, yes, it is. I have been after one of these for ages. In the UK on eBay, they're very difficult to find for certainly less than 30 quid, and they usually go for the sort of 40, 50 quid mark from what I've seen. And I'd been sort of putting the word out on forums and Facebook and things for a while that I really, really, really wanted one. And one of the guys very kindly contacted me to tell me that he had come into possession of one that he did not intend to hang on to. And I now finally, after literally months, if not over a year, of trying to find one of these that was not going to break the bank, have. And he did tell me he'd sort of taken the stock off to make it easier to transport. My very own, and I tell you what, he has packaged this up beautifully. Look, quite honestly, I don't think that Hasbro would have packaged this up any better when it first came out. I now have my own Sledgefire, which I am insanely excited about. I've wanted one of these for absolutely ages. That is just brilliant. So huge thank you to everybody who has sent me these wonderful, absolutely beautiful goodies. And I will look forward to making videos and mods and things on them, with them, whatever. Brilliant. Thank you very, very much. And I will see you all in my next video.